Good day! Today I am going to demonstrate how to test the difference between two sample means when the samples are paired or related samples. So here I have randomly chosen the cost of mobile phones from two different phone stores. These are the Authentic Corner and the Megaplex. So here we are going to test hypothesis if their costs are equal, and we have this null hypothesis that is 0 and the alternative hypothesis that is not 0. So we have two-tailed hypothesis here, but to start that we must find first the mean of the two phone stores. So to calculate the mean, in doing calculations using Excel, we must first put the equal sign before the formula. So here we have the average. We click the average and then click first the value and then drag it down. So the first mean is equal to this, while the second mean is here. So now it is very obvious that the higher value of mean is from the Megaplex. But here we are going to test if this difference is significantly or is statistically significant. To start that, we must go first to the data tab and then click data analysis. So in the data analysis, we must look for appropriate test. So here we are going to look for the t-test paired two sample for means. Click OK, and then here in the variable 1 we must first put the this place where the mean is very high. So we have to click the Megaplex because it is the data where the mean is very high. So click Megaplex and then drag it down. For the variable 2, we have the Authentic Corner. So since we have included the labels here, as you can see, the Authentic Corner and the Megaplex, so we must put this check in the label and then let alpha 0.05, and this output option, I want this test to be placed on the new worksheet, so I will just let this new worksheet here and then click OK. So here we have the result. What we have here. So in doing calculation of paired sample using Excel, there will be present results that is not very useful. So here we must just find the result that we are going to use. So we have the t-test or the t-value. We have 2.8745, and this t-test, these results are occurring about 2.8745 standard deviation away from the mean. So that is how we represent the t-value. and we have the p-value, which is equal to 0.02. So our alpha is 0.05. 0.02 is less than the alpha, which is 0.05. In this represent a result that we reject the null hypothesis. So here we have the critical value, which is equal to 2.365. So let's go back to our worksheet 1. So here, what we're going to find is the difference. So we have to put difference here, put difference, and this is in this cell, difference, and then we are going to subtract the data. So here we have 4090 is the largest, so we have to subtract it to 410. So we have D3 minus, C3 minus B3. So here we have 80. So in doing the calculation using Excel, you can do it very easy because there is a lot of shortcuts. So here we have now the complete difference. What we're going to find next is the mean difference. Here we have the mean difference, so put equal sign first and then put average, click 80 and drag it down. Okay, we have the mean difference of 695. So the next one is the standard deviation of difference. Standard deviation of difference. So our standard deviation of difference is equal to STDEV our standard deviation of difference is equal to 683.8546. So the next one is the standard error. We have the standard error. So to find the standard error, we have to know the standard deviation of difference, which is G3, and then divide it by the square root of our n. So our n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8n. So we have the standard error of 241.7791. So the next is the T alpha half 95% confidence level. So our T alpha half 95% confidence level is represented by our critical value. So our critical value is 2.365. 2.365. Is it correct? 2.365. 2.365. So the next is the lower confidence level. Lower confidence level. So our lower confidence level is equal to the mean difference G2 minus the standard error G3 times the T alpha, which is G5. G2 minus, equals G2 minus G4 times G5. So we have 123.1924, and then the upper confidence level. Our upper confidence level is equal to mean difference plus the standard error times the T alpha. So our upper confidence level is equal to 1266.808. So given this, we can say now a statement that is, we are 95% confident that the mean difference between the mobile brands at the Authentic Corner and Megaplex is between 123.1924 and 1266.808, with a bit more expensive in the Megaplex. So that's it.